really good.
Good. I just pulled them out of the oven. Those are Florentine
She put this
Turkey
out here
Burgers.
for our safety.
Do not. That's the
probably
code.
that's
if
a good.
something comes out of the oven, make sure you put a towel or an oven mitt over the handle.
This is so I don't forget and accidentally touch it. So I'm just going to hold it right here like this.
So we sauteed our turkey burgers for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side so that they were nice and brown. Now I just popped them in a 400-degree oven to just let them cook through. And now...
Oh, am I jumping
No, go
the gun?
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sorry, I'm a hungry man.
Joe is skeptical about the turkey burgers. So...
Well, what's all in here again?
Okay. That is spinach.
Oh, do I need some of this stuff on it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, Joe.
Yeah,
You're
get our sauce.
missing
So spinach, sun-dried tomatoes. We had Parmesan cheese, some green onions, and an egg to hold it together, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we have... And then in our sauce, we had Greek yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper.
That's a healthy treat right there is what that is.
Did you burn your mouth?
No.
I mean, we can only hope.
I know.
Why would you hope that?
After he's being so sassy this morning.
He is very sassy this morning. It's because he's been on vacation.
Yeah.
And then we made our mashed cauliflower, which y'all have both done. So we took 1 head of cauliflower and chopped it up, and I put some chicken broth on it, and then just cooked it until it was nice and tender. And most of the chicken broth evaporated out of this, so I didn't even drain it. But if you had a lot left in there, what I would do is drain the liquid, but then keep it. So once you start mashing up, you could add a little bit to get your desired consistency. And then I'm just using an immersion blender. I know Chassie likes this sound. See?
What?
It just mashes up like
Here,
this.
let's see if Mick can get a... Or wait, Mick's looking up.
I know, Mick's doing that. But
right.
it just mashes up, and you just season it up with, a little salt and pepper, and it's good to go. And I like to serve this if you're doing, it's good with like meatballs and marinara sauce, or just as a side dish. So,
Hey, what if at the Joe Jefferson Players, they serve Mama meatballs for Mamma Mia?
That's really
maybe
good,
I should
Lucy.
get up with them.
I like that
Oh,
flavor.
good. I'm glad you like them. So that's just, a healthy burger option for you.
They miss me cutting Joe off. So yeah, grocery pickup going full force at Greer's in case they want to for all the back to school stuff.
Yep, our website has all of our ads. It can get you to online shopping. It can get you to all of our recipes.
I'm really distracted right now.
So it can get you to everything.
Yeah, get some of that. Get some of that
Yeah,
sauce
gotta
on
get
there.
the sauce.
Well, you've got to talk for a second, Joe.
So I really like it.
Yes.
I think because like I said, I'm used to like burgers without so much stuff in them. That's why I was a little bit cautious. But realizing, 1, how delicious it is, which is of course the main thing, and 2, how nutritious it is, I can highly recommend this.
Joe
As something
approved.
you should make.
Two
Yeah.
thumbs up.
Yes. I'm going to make it. Maybe this, hey, you know what would be a good idea?
What?
We talked about South Alabama coming on.
Yeah.
Football season just around the corner. I actually talked to my wife about this. I'm like, all right, we're trying to be healthy. This football season, we can't make Rotel cheese dip
Every
and
week.
everything every single week.
Yeah.
This would be a great option
is.
for that.
And
really
you could
good.
totally pop them on the grill
Yes.
if you're grilling. So yeah, good option.
Grilling and chilling.
Chilling and chilling.
Check it out online. I think we're going to stay in here and eat a few more bites.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else you want to say, Lucy, or you good?
Give everybody some life advice. Whatever you
Life
wanna
advice.
Do grocery
If
pickup.
you're going to potty train twins, hire somebody to do it for you.
Oh, there you go.
Did you do the weekend where you just tried to, did you do that yet?
Well, we did, but I thought I had read everything, but then like halfway through the weekend, Spiro was like, wait, I think we're doing a couple things wrong, but the treats are working good. I mean, they're getting it.
Treats.
But, they're not 100% yet,
Okay.
but they're getting it.
They'll get it.
They'll get it.
It takes
So
time.
you need some prayers out there.
Yeah, prayers always.
training.
Prayers always.
All right. You can form these into round things and make mama meatballs too. We'll be back with more Studio 10 after this. The recipe for all this is online at Greer's. Well, and or Studio 10 at fox10tv.com.